All eyes this morning is on the Mumbai Sessions Court, where Aryan Khan's lawyer will mention his bail application today. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan, has spent 3 nights now in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. This is in the Cruise drug bust case. A Mumbai court had earlier rejected his bail plea on Friday. He was detained and subsequently arrested back on October 3rd. The Drug Control Agency, meanwhile, has widened its entire probe in this case. International links are under the NCB scanner because you've had a second foreign national being arrested by the anti-drug agency. A Nigerian national was nabbed with an intermediate quantity of cocaine during raids in Mumbai's Goregaon yesterday. This is the 20th arrest in the case and the second of a foreign national. The arrested accused is expected to be produced in court today. All the other accused, 4 of them in this case, will also be produced in court as their custody with the Narcotics Control Bureau comes to an end today.
नाइजीरियन नेशनल्स हम पहले भी हमने काफ़ी इस साल अरेस्ट किए हैं, अभी भी आपने जैसे खुद ही बोला हो रहे हैं। तो ड्रग वर्ल्ड में नेशनलिटी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हर तरह के लोग उसमें हैं। वी विल रिव्यू एवरीथिंग and proceed as per the facts that are there.
Vidya is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Vidya, so far there's been no legal relief whatsoever for Aryan Khan. His lawyer, his legal team will no doubt be pushing with all they can to ensure that the hearing in the Sessions Court happens today, so that, Aryan doesn't have to spend another day at the Arthur Road jail.
It does seem unlikely, though, that they'll be able to get an order out immediately from the Sessions Court. Remember, they have issued the notice. The NCB has been told, but the NCB has to come with a reply to their petition. If they do not, then in most cases that we have seen, the agencies do take a while. They say that they would probably come with a reply tomorrow. So in such kind of cases, when the arguments do not really take place, an order cannot be passed, and which is the reason why it doesn't seem like that an order would be there today for Aryan. However, the process will at least begin with both the parties, Aryan Khan's lawyers, NCB's lawyers, all of them being present in the court, and at least the issuance of notice asking the entire NCB team to file a reply to the bail plea of Aryan Khan. That could certainly happen, and a little bit of arguments. The legal team of Aryan Khan would certainly press for seeing that some kind of relief would come about. But in most cases that we have seen, in spite of the fact that Aryan Khan himself was not found with any kind of drug, however, because his statement, remember, he says that he was to the amount that Arbaz was found with the drug for consumption, that was meant for both of them to share on the cruise. So that's something that has really been taken into consideration by the court, which is the reason why the remands were first granted, and at present, because the investigation is still going on in the case, that's the reason why the NCB will obviously be, of course, opposing the bail plea.
All right, Vidya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us. It's likely perhaps that the hearing of Aryan Khan's bail plea will come up today, but Vidya also telling us that right now it remains to be seen whether the Sessions Court will take it up. Aryan's legal team, his lawyers, are going to be pushing for that hearing today. But Aryan faces grave charges of procuring, of purchase and consumption of drugs, all of which has been outrightly denied by him.
Aryan, you have to say anything? Aryan?
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son spends another night in jail. 23-year-old Aryan is lodged in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail's barrack number 1 in the quarantine cell. Aryan Khan's hopes of walking free in the Cruise drug bust case now rests on his bail plea, likely to be filed in a Mumbai court on or after Monday. The bail plea was delayed due to court being closed on weekend. NCB has charged him for procuring, purchase and consumption of drugs. Meanwhile, Narco Bureau grilled Shah Rukh Khan's driver on Saturday for 12 hours. The driver admitted that he dropped off Aryan and friend Arbaz to the cruise terminal in a Mercedes. The NCB also quizzed the driver about the activities of Aryan and his friends. The statement of the driver will also be used by NCB in court. According to reports, Aryan, his friend Arbaz and Prateek Gaba and one more person left Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow, Mannat, together. Narcotics Bureau is also widening the drug probe, arresting the supplier who gave drugs to Arbaz merchant. Narco Bureau also carried out many raids in Goregaon area of Mumbai and detained several suspected peddlers. Drugs were also seized from the detainees. As the probe in the Mumbai cruise drug bust case deepens, Aryan's fate hangs in balance. Will he get bail or stay in jail?
NCB is likely to oppose Aryan Khan's bail in the Sessions Court, and they are preparing a strong ground for it by arresting suppliers and drug peddlers. Imtiaz Khatri, who is a film producer, has also been called again for questioning. With camera person Hemant, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.